Concrete is one of the most popular building materials used throughout the world. It's extremely versatile and cost-effective. There are endless options to choose from when building your house, creating your driveway, or even on your do-it-yourself project. But with such selections, how do you decide? It's important to know what concrete mix you need to make your project a success. We created a list to help you understand the different concrete mixes out there to help you get the right one to meet the design specifications you want to achieve. Taking our top spot is the Quikrete 80-pound concrete mix. It consists of a uniformly blended, properly proportioned mixture of gravel, sand, and Portland cement. Like any other concrete mixture, all you need to do is add water. Adding water slowly and a little at a time as you start mixing will help you reach the right consistency and get a good finish on the concrete. Remember that adding too much water will lose its strength. This product is manufactured by Quikrete, the largest manufacturer of concrete and cement in North America. They offer hundreds of professional grade and consumer products, and these products have been used on many landmark buildings and rehabilitation projects like the Statue of Liberty, the Daytona International Speedway, and the San Francisco Bay Bridge. The Quikrete 80-pound concrete mix is a standard concrete mix intended to be used for small jobs or hard-to-reach projects. For someone who isn't exactly a handyman, the Quikrete concrete mix is perfect for you. It's high quality, durable, and economical. Coming in at number 2 is the Sakrete 80-pound gray concrete mix. It's made from a special blend of sand, coarse aggregate, and cement materials. A bag of Sakrete concrete mix yields 0.6 cubic feet and is suitable for jobs that require at least 2 inches of concrete thickness. It's easy to work with and holds up well. Just put the right amount of water and mix it in. Working time would take about 45 minutes. It's the time in which the concrete is still workable and viable, which usually is based on the cement content and the ambient temperature. This concrete mix has 6 hours of setting time, and at that time your dog will not leave his footprints in it. Hot and cold weather can significantly affect the setting time of the concrete. Hot conditions can speed up the concrete setting time. The colder conditions may take it longer to set, and if the temperature is below freezing, it may not set at all. It dries extremely fast, and any other concrete mix product, you can walk on it after 24 hours. Curing time would take about 28 days, where the strength tests are usually performed. At this point, concrete cures are enough to establish its strength. At number 3 is the Rapid Set 55-pound cement all multi-purpose construction material. This is a multi-purpose repair material that can be used for almost all types of concrete work. This concrete repair material sets in just 15 minutes and hardens to structural strength in an hour. The product conforms to the requirements of the American Society for Testing in Materials. It's non-metallic and has no added chlorides. Plus, it's durable even in wet environments. It's easy to use. Add water and mix until smooth, uniform, and lump-free. Once it starts to stiffen, avoid remixing as it can weaken the final strength. Apply it from feather edge to 4 inches thick. This product offers superior resistance and ultra durable with over 9,000 compression and strength. This cement allows the repaired area to be painted, coated, or sealed soon after application. Water-based coatings such as latex paint can only be applied after the mixture is hardened, which usually takes 1 to 4 hours. On the other hand, oil-based paint and epoxy can be applied in 16 hours. Taking our 4th spot is the Sika 50-pound self-leveling underlayment concrete mix. It's polymer-modified, one-component, versatile, and durable underlayment for cement substrates and interior concrete. This is a multi-purpose, crack-resistant, and fast-setting concrete mix with 4,000 compression strength. The product can be applied manually or by pump, which is ideal for interior floor leveling and smoothing applications. It's also suitable for overcoating with non-moisture sensitive tile. This concrete mix is quick and easy to use. Just put the recommended amount of water and mix it for 3 minutes or once a uniform level is achieved. Then pour it immediately on your surface. It can be applied to feather edge or up to 2 inches thick. For concrete and cement substrates, it's recommended to prime and use Sika Level Primer to sear your surface and reduce the formation of bubbles on your underlayment. This product is also ideal to level new and renovate old floors to provide a strong, durable, smooth final finish. Its very rapid drying time can help you walk on it after 2 to 3 hours. Plus, it has low odor and does not contain VOC or volatile organic chemicals that can cause headaches or nausea. Floor coverings such as carpet, vinyl, and tile can be installed within 2 to 3 hours and 1 to 3 days for 4 wood coverings. If you want to achieve the ideal level surface, then the Sika self-leveling underlayment concrete mix is the right one for you. How are we doing so far? Did you find something you need in your renovation or building project? Well, if not, don't be sad because we still have one more product to go. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more up-to-date and coming reviews, and please hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post our new videos. And now to our last entry. At number 5 is the Quikrete 20-pound hydraulic water-stop cement concrete mix. It blocks running water and seals leaks in cracked masonry and concrete surfaces. It sets within 3 to 5 minutes and is applicable to use above and below grade. This product is for swimming pools, foundations, retaining walls, chimneys, and sealing around concrete pipes. This hydraulic water-stop cement sets very quickly, enabling you to stop active water leaks. Its rapid-setting, high-strength repair material is designed to plug leaks instantly in concrete and masonry. It can be applied using a trowel, though the preparation is quite different from the usual concrete mix. To use this product, mix 4.5 parts of hydraulic water stop with 1 part water until a heavy, spongy consistency is achieved. Roll the mixture between your hands until it begins to harden and be ready to apply it immediately as it becomes rock hard in a fairly short amount of time. Also, the instructions say not to make more than you can use within 2 minutes. It's recommended to apply it starting from the top of the crack and working down while pressing it into place. This Quikrete hydraulic water stop cement is highly recommended for anyone looking to plug or crack holes in concrete. It can stop leaks in no time and it dries quickly. It works great and is a great value for its price. All concrete is not created equal, and with any home improvement projects, you need to have the right product or materials in order to be successful. The quality of the product is the key, and the first step to a good masonry project is choosing the right one. Did you find anything on our list that suits your needs? Well, if you did, we have prepared the details in the description below of where you can get these products at their best prices. Don't forget to subscribe for more relevant and in-depth reviews, and feel free to leave a comment or suggestion. Lastly, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Thanks for watching the ReviewTube channel.